Well, hey guys, welcome back to Waters Family Homestead. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I've never went in any chicken pen ever and knocked all the cobwebs and stuff down, but it just got so doggone bad that I just got tired of looking at it. So I came in with a broom earlier and swept all the wire and the rafters, and there's still some up between there that I didn't get, but for the most part, it's all knocked down. Now the chickens don't care. They'll eat the spiders if they catch them. But I swept the inside walls and the top and all the wire and stuff with a broom. And it's really hard to get that stuff down, but I can see through the wire now. I'm hoping the bigger chunks that stuck will fall off in the wind and stuff in the next day or two. I mean, be fresh for them in the morning. All right. Well, also went around all the edges, the house and the buildings and the chicken pens and, the stuff in the yard. And back where I've done all the clearing, I've went in with the mower and cut all that stuff down before the weeds decided they were going to come back strong. So it's working, but I did what some of y'all suggested. I put the hens in this last pen that had their backs wore out. There was 9 of them. And I thought, okay, I'll give them a break. Well, 7 of them stayed over here. 2 of them made it through the fence. Of course, they can push under, and through the gap over there, they can push. So they did. They made it through, and I didn't fight them to put them back over here. So I just left the door open and let them roost where they want to. Had one blue orphan decide to roost over here today, and she's got the little small spot on the back. All the ones that needed it the most didn't come back. But there were 3 eggs in this pen today. In the first pen, there was 3 eggs, 1 on the ground and 2 in the box. And I'm trying to remember, 4, I believe, in this one. 2 brown eggs in the nesting box, and none on the ground, thank goodness. So I'm hoping they're learning to lay in the nesting box, and I won't have to play Easter egg hunt every day, because I've been finding them out here in the yard, just anywhere, in the fruit orchard. So every day I walk around and look for eggs, because it's pretty easy to miss one, especially if the grass is more than a couple inches tall. So either way, not something that had to be done, but I just wanted to get it done. I just got tired of seeing all the cobwebs. And maybe that'll give the few spiders that the chickens don't eat a little bit more difficult time of building a nest, a spider web back. But anywho, just want to do a quick video. Didn't do a whole lot today. We had our men's group at church this morning, had an awesome crowd. We had about 15 new guys come, and we enjoyed fellowship with them, and it was really awesome. So, other than laundry and cleaning out the chicken pen and cutting around the edge of everything with the mower, I didn't do a whole lot today. But there's always tomorrow. I'll get more done. I hope y'all are prepping. Y'all remember what I always tell you. Jesus loves you, and so do I. Y'all be safe. Be prepared.